Hello and welcome to the third video in this series of architectural web tools to help us with our site analysis more than the previous two videos will be linked in the description below. Please look at them, and well, the sites involved will also be linked right there. For today we are going to be dealing with the site distances tool. There is a new thing that I've created. Actually, it's kind of an update on the old one. So basically it's hosted at wizard.in slash wizard.in/site distances.html izrd.in/site-istances.html. That was fast, I think. So this is a slight update on the previous site sections thing that we'd worked on last time. This time there are buttons instead of those radio checkboxes thing. So this should be a little easier to work with. So these are your points of interest, your draw boundary. Let's draw our most famous boundary, IIM campus. Click and click. So this is our site as of now, which is a massive I'm not reading the number of square meters. It's about 105 acres, large site as usual. And this is our section tool. You just click and it gives you the section along that line. Again, to reiterate this, I've said this many times, but I'm going to say it again because this is important. The scale on the x-axis and the y-axis are not equal. So this basically this is 15 meters. 15 meters is somewhere there, right? So it should have been actually about half if you were to scale. But I've just fit it into this place. So whichever software that you're planning to work with later, you will scale it down and things like that actually make sense as a section, right? For now, this is as in gives you an approximate idea as long as you read the values clean. That being said, those things covered, let's get to the new things. There's a new line here. It says type distance in meters, time in minutes, latitude and longitude. There's a new called distances. So this is when you click on that, you get this this set of buttons here. So what this is basically it tries to list down distances from the center of site to the different places. The best way to explain that is to do it. So click on food, say list distances, and that's it. So these are the different as in the closest restaurants to IIM itself. The distances are from the central site. So Chungwa, Coffee Day, another Coffee Day, Pizza Hut, and some natural ice creams place. This is the distance, so this is a good kilometer away, almost 1.2 kilometers away, and the time it will take for you to walk there is 15.3 minutes. Alright, and this is not walking along a straight line, this is actually following the path through the gate, across the road, and all of that jazz. The other building types, let's call them, are listed here. So let's say ATMs, list distances, so that's a slightly different color. And yeah, so Axis Bank, HDFC, and everything is like within 15 minutes you can get to like five different ATMs. Bus stops, list distances, that's in green. So HSBC, all the other different bus stops that are named accordingly. The distance from the center of site, ours is a large site. So even things on the border are considered like a kilometer away. I mean, this is probably not on the border though. This is obviously walking time and things like that. Then stores, places to buy regular stuff. Ice cream store is back there. Coffee Day is back there. The looks, I don't know what that is. Pharmacies, an electronics store. Then a hospital, or rather hospitals. There are quite a few around here. And these are the different hospitals. Then park, different parks. Places of worship. These ones, police. I don't think there is a police station around here. School, and those are the different schools. Alright, so scrolling down, you see all the different temples. These are Well, Hindu temple, this is a church, and so on. Then these are the different schools and the names of these schools, and the walking distance. The walking distance, I think, is the best value that you can get out of this entire set of values, right? And this entire, well, the data structure, or whatever you want to call it. The cool thing is, it's all selectable, right? You can select the entire thing as text. It's kind of spaced properly, so you should be able to paste it into a decent spreadsheet. And yeah, you can work with it there. Once you've pasted it into whichever spreadsheet software that you're comfortable with, you can list it by the closest distance and things like that, closest time, or even by even more fine-grained typologies of this thing, and things like that. So hopefully something like this helps you understand what your especially what the different requirements of your own site are, what different what other amenities that you might have to provide in your own site, or whatever other conclusion that you can derive out of this data. So yes, best of luck with everything that you're doing with this site, hopefully. And yeah, thank you for watching. There will be hopefully more coming soon, as in more of these tools, trying to get data from the internet. I'm working on the weather thing that is taking quite a while, and a sun path diagram, which I think will be hopefully very useful again. The hope is that once most of these things are approximately kind of out of alpha stage, we'll put them all into one comprehensive tool onto one website or something like that. So yeah, looking forward to all of that. Hoping this helps you in some way or the other. Thank you for watching. Till next time.